Hello friends, welcome to Gyno Talk. I am Dr. Safina Anas, Specialist Gynecologist at Aster Hospital, Dubai. Today I will discuss about diabetes in pregnancy. Pregnancy has unique challenges when you have diabetes, either pre-existing or that develop during pregnancy. Naturally, you will be concerned about the effects of diabetes on your health and your baby's health. Now I will discuss about what you need to know about pregnancy and diabetes to deliver a healthy baby. Controlling your blood sugar level before and during pregnancy is the best way to prevent diabetes complications. Good blood sugar control during pregnancy can reduce the risk of miscarriage and stillbirth. It will reduce the risk of premature birth, reduce the risk of birth defect, particularly that affecting brain, spine and heart, reduce the risk of excess fetal growth, prevent complications for mother like infections and ketoacidosis. Babies born to diabetic mother are more prone for low blood sugar shortly after birth. Good blood sugar control helps to maintain the normal blood sugar as well as calcium and magnesium in the blood of baby. It will also reduce the chance of jaundice after birth. How you can achieve this? Frequent blood sugar monitoring. Remember, controlling your blood sugar level is the best way to promote a healthy pregnancy and to prevent complications. Take diabetic medication as prescribed by your doctor. Eat a healthy diet. It is also important to take prenatal vitamins containing folic acid. Include physical activity in your daily routine. You should do at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity. Schedule prenatal checkups. And about labor and delivery. Your doctor will decide the best time and the safest way to deliver your baby. Sometimes labor may be induced to reduce the risk of complications. If your baby is too large or if labor induction is not successful or if you develop some complication, then you might need cesarean section. After delivery, you should continue to check your blood sugar level. Keeping yourself healthy is the best thing you can do for your baby. Hope this information is useful to you. See you next time with another topic. Thank you.